take a look at, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1930 Model A Tudor sedan. Kind of a drab olive two-tone, I would call it, with the black fender and running boards. Yes, this is an all-steel car also. No glass fenders on this one. Underneath the hood has the 201 L-head inline 4-cylinder. We'll start it up here at the end of the video, let you check out the engine bay here at Run. But first, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 to take a look at the chrome. The front bumper looks good. Radiator surround. Headlight buckets. Bright working chrome look good on this one. Paint shows well. You're going to have your typical light little scratches where you can see there, maybe a little touch up here and there, kind of the things that make those authentic looking Model A's, let's put it that way. One you can drive, go out and have some fun in parades. A little Saturday cruise for some ice cream. Interior, cloth interior, kind of an olive and tan combination. Stock dash. I'm leaving this in there from the previous owner. It gives a little rundown. Where the shutoff for the gas is actually under the hood. Don't use the one under the dash. And where to have the settings at. Just thought I'd leave that in there. Make it a lot easier for the new owner to start it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, all steel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior on this one. Door panels, tan, and then again, kind of a two-tone tan and olive seat. They will fold this way, and they'll also fold forward for getting into the rear a little bit easier. Still has the shade in the rear window. Headliner good on this one. Alright, let's go ahead and start this up. Let you hear it run. So, we're going to turn the key on. I have all the settings right. The gas is turned on underneath the hood. And of course, push button start up here. See how easily it starts. Of course, this would be your choke, your gas mixture. This would have the 3-speed manual transmission, which you'd expect to be in this vehicle. As you can see, it appears the float for the gas gauge is in working order. And we'll make sure we're in neutral. See how easily it starts, how nice it runs. Slip around to the back. What you'd expect a Model A to sound like. Again, that 201 cubic inch L-head inline 4-cylinder. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead, pause this a second. I'm going to pop the passenger side hood open. You can see the car from the more to see over there, and we'll take a peek at it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there it is. Again, inline 4-cylinder. This is that gas shutoff I was talking about right there. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Turn it to the right, close it up. Left, open it up. And that's where the gas shutoff is on this one. So there you have it. Latest Model A in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1930 Ford Model A Tudor sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.